Hello everyone, I am Richa God from Quick Maths. Exercise 11.2, question number 6. Question is, find the area of rhombus whose side is 5 centimeter, whose altitude is 4.8 centimeter. First we will draw the rhombus. This is the rhombus. Let it be A, B, C and D. According to question, the side is given as 5 centimeters. So, as in rhombus, all the sides are equal. So, the side will be 5 centimeter. Altitude is 4.8. What is altitude? Its height, perpendicular height. So, it can be the altitude. This is the perpendicular height. It is given as 4.8. So, this height is 4.8 centimeter. Just a minute. Let the height be h. Yes, I will write it here. Let the height be h. So h is 4.8 centimeters. So first, the given parameters of first line is given as the side, which is called as base, is equal to 5 centimeter, and the height, that is also called as altitude, is given as 4.8 centimeter. Now come to the next line. If one of its diagonal is 8 centimeter long, he is saying that suppose BD is 8 centimeter long, one of its diagonals. So BD is 8 centimeter long. It can be called as D1. Find the length of other diagonal, means we have to calculate D2, that is AC. We have to calculate the length of D2. So according to formula, if for diagonals we can write area. In the case of diagonal, the area is of rhombus is half D1 into D2. But in this case, we don't know the area, because if we want to calculate the diameter D2, then the two parameters area and D1 both must be known. But here area is missing. So first we will calculate the area by these parameters. Using these parameters, we will calculate the area. So first, area of rhombus in the general form, as we calculate the area of parallelogram. What is the area of parallelogram? Base into height. This is the same formula we can use for the rhombus also, base into height. So area will be, base is given as 5 centimeter and height is given as altitude 4.8 centimeter. So it will be 5, 8, 40, 4 carry, 5, 4, 20, 24, decimal 0 and centimeter square. So area will be 24 centimeter square. It is the area. Now just we will put the area in the second equation. This one. This one is the first equation. We will put the area in second equation to calculate the diagonal. So from second equation, from equation number second, area is half D1 into D2. Just put the value of area here, 24. Put the value of D1, that is 8. 8 centimeter is given, this one. And D2 is missing, so we can calculate D2 from here. We can cancel it out. 2 1 the, 2 4 the. So it will be 24 equals to 4 into D2. I am writing here. D2 will be 24 by 4. 4 6 the. So the other diagonal D2 will be 6 centimeter. So we have calculated the diagonal 6 centimeter. It's very simple and important question. To to calculate the diagonal, the area must be known. So area will be calculated from side and height, as altitude and height is given in the first case here. So by these two parameters, we can calculate the area as in the case of parallelogram. And by putting this area in the main formula of diagonals, we can calculate the diagonal. So this is the required answer. D2 is 6 centimeter. So the diagonal AC will be 6 centimeter. Thank you so much.